Sa akin na po yung waiver ko po sa
Yung si
bank waiver.
Madriaga.
Oh.
Si Sir.
So for the record, Mr. Ramil Madriaga is submitting
Sabi talaga siya ng totoo.
his waiver on the
Bank secrecy.
bank secrecy law,
Alas.
which means that he's giving his conformity to the committee to look into the accounts mentioned in his supplemental affidavit. So the committee secretary is directed to receive the copy of the waiver of bank secrecy law to form part of the records of the proceedings of this case.
The Vice President Sara C. Duterte.
Oo, hindi dumating.
I'm sorry, Your Honor, she's not present today.
All right, let it be placed on the record that we called the Vice President to give her the continuing opportunity to present her evidence, including countering the testimony of Ramil Madriaga, but of course that is through the justice members. So before finally excusing Mr. Madriaga, we are requesting you to stand up to
Hindi naman pati bangko niya, pipirma siya ng waiver. So madaling salita, totoo sinasabi.
swear us to the veracity of your waiver. Nauunawaan niyo po ba itong waiver ng bank secrecy na law na ito at ang magiging epekto nito?
Opo, Madam Chair.
Ibig sabihin po nito ay mabubuksan yung bank records nyo na inyong binanggit sa inyong supplemental affidavit without us violating the bank secrecy law. You are losing the protection of bank secrecy law. Naunawaan niyo po ba yun?
Opo, Madam Chair, I'm fully aware.
Ito po bang isinagawa ninyong ito ay may paggabay na ibinigay sa inyo ang abogado nyong katabi nyo ngayon, whom I know is Attorney Palad.
Opo, Madam Chair.
So, naiintindihan nyo po ang inyong ginagawang ito.
Opo, Madam Chair.
Okay. Kindly raise your right hand. As to the contents of this waiver of bank secrecy law, do you subscribe and swear to the truthfulness of the contents of this document? You do.
Opo, Madam Chair, I do.
Thank you. So you may take your seat.
Salamat po.
God bless.
Again, for the record, this waiver of bank secrecy law will be received by the COMSEC to form part of the records of our proceeding today.